Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Trueplay for your speaker SONOS MOVE 2. You have to start by open the application and now go to the settings at the right top. Then click on your speaker here and scroll down just a bit. Right here we have Trueplay, click on it. And to enable it, just click on it. But sometimes I'll make something and sometimes you will have something like this. So it means that your microphone is mute, because Trueplay use microphones. So just slide up it and right here we have this green background, let's say. So it means that it's on mute and I can enable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!